farming, like every other type of agriculture, is not an exception from the benefits provided by the Fadama project. It may surprise you to know that pork, the meat derived from pigs, is one of the most widely consumed meats in the world. Pig farming has the highest profit potential of all farm animals. You ask why? Because they cost little to feed and maintain, and produce meat in larger quantities than cattle or even goats.
My name's Idive Eruetere, and I'm the owner of the pigs. I've been the one taking care of them, though it's not easy, but it has been the achievement from the Fadama farm. It has kept me busy, at least made me self-employed, and I've been making money from it, taking care of myself and my family. Yeah, I want to thank the World Bank, the EU, and the SEEFOR for the support they have given to me. And I want everyone to know that the World Bank, the EU, and the SEEFOR, they are really doing a good job. And I know they have touched so many lives. I'm one of those lives. And I want to appreciate them again. Thank you very much.
To benefit on a large scale from this lucrative agro-business requires capital that most small farm holders lack. You can see the high margins each farmer records on each pig. A livelihood is improved.